If you are interested in capturing Adobe Premiere and its audio from a program like Camtasia or maybe its sister Snagit, then you would have to set Adobe Premiere up differently from normal. So as you can see here on the screen, there is no system sounds coming through. So what I'm going to do is move this out of the way from it. I'm going to go up to Edit, Preferences, Audio Hardware. I'll become the Audio Hardware window. And instead of ASIO, I'm going to switch to MME. Go yes. And go yes. So if I was to switch off the microphone and just play the system sounds, this is what it would sound like. Camtasia capture or a Snagit capture. If you're using the standard ASIO, get the idea? So that's how it works.